Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop emails from booking.com. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the booking.com app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app, give your sign-in details and sign in into your booking.com account. Now on the screen, you can see options like search, saved, bookings and profile. Go to your profile. There you can see manage your account, rewards and wallet, Genius loyalty program, saved, reviews, etc. Go to manage your account. Under manage your account, you can see personal details, preferences, security, payment details and email notifications. Go to email notifications. Now on the screen, you can see you have turned on emails from booking.com. All you have to do is manually turn it off or go down and find that unsubscribe from all newsletter and service emails and tap on it. Then select the reason and tap on submit. Now again, go to reservations, go down, manually deselect them or tap on unsubscribe from all reservation emails. Then again, you have to select the reason, then tap on submit. And guys, that's it. That's how you stop emails from booking.com. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.